In this tutorial, we are going to see how to align with corners. Choose a model containing structural or architectural elements such as walls, columns, or grid lines, and select the Align with Corner option. Select the floor you're in from the BIM model you uploaded. If you are seeing too many options, you should talk to your BIM manager or coordinator to reduce amount of defined building stories. In the floor plan, zoom on the element you are standing in front of, in our case, a wall. Pick the corner you wish to align to and pick an alignment direction. The blue arrow will indicate the direction of the alignment. Let your device detect the floor until a purple mesh appears and wait for it to stabilize. Point the red pin, which is always at the center of the screen, to the edge of the corner you selected before and tap anywhere on the screen to place it. Place the blue arrow along the previously selected direction. Choose the elevation of the floor you are standing on or manually adjust it, and click on the check mark to finalize the placement. If you want to improve the position further, you can always choose the manual adjustment mode. Tap on the same corner and manually rotate around the corner until distant objects match up. That's it. The model is now aligned with the corner and ready for use on site.